Today, we're going to cover the basic Texas rig of a plastic worm. I've already tied a hook on the leader and slid my bullet weight down so it looks just like that, and this weight slides back and forth. If you don't want the weight to slide, you can always peg it with a peg, or you can put a little toothpick in here through the little hole and just break it off, and it'll peg that weight right to the top of the hook. So you have one clean, compact bait. Okay, so what you do, you take your plastic worm, go through the top here, come out just a little ways down, bring it all the way through, and then you rotate it. You rotate that hook when you get it through so it sits like that. Then simply stick it through. I always put it through so the tip comes all the way out, and then I bury the tip back in the plastic. You have one clean, compact bait. Let me slide the weight back on here. It came off. And there it is. Basic Texas rig plastic worm. Real simple, real effective. Weight, hook, plastic worm. That's all you need. Toothpick if you want to peg this weight and not leave it to where it slides up and down the line. It's personal preference, depends kind of on what the fish want, how the bite is that day. There it is, basic Texas rig plastic worm. If you like these series of instructional videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. We'll have more coming at you real soon. If you want something in particular, leave a message down below in the comments, and we'll see if we can get to it. Thanks for watching.